नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am Dr. Bharat Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today's topic is Hodgkin's disease. Hodgkin's disease primarily arises within the lymph nodes and involves the extranodal site secondarily. This group comprises about 8% of all cases of lymphoid neoplasm. The incidence of the disease has bimodal peaks, one in young adult between the age of 15 and 35 years, and the other peak after fifth decade of life. Classification: unlike an non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, there is only one universally accepted classification of Hodgkin's disease. It that is Rye classification, adopted since 1966. Rye classification divided Hodgkin's disease into the following four subtypes. One is lymphocyte predominance type, nodular sclerosis type, mixed cellularity type, lymphocytic depletion type. However, the WHO classification of lymphoid neoplasm divided Hodgkin's disease into two main groups: nodular lymphocyte predominant Hodgkin's disease and classic Hodgkin's disease include all the four above subtypes in the Rye classification. Central to the diagnosis of Hodgkin's disease is the essential identification of Reed-Sternberg cell, though this is not the sole criteria. Reed-Sternberg cells. The diagnosis of Hodgkin's disease rests on identification of Reed-Sternberg cells, though uncommonly similar cells can occur in infectious mononucleosis and other forms of lymphomas. Classic Reed-Sternberg cells. This is large cell which has characteristically a bilobed nucleus appearing as mirror image of each other, but occasionally the nucleus may be multilobed. Each lobe of the nucleus contains a prominent eosinophilic inclusion like nucleolus with a clear halo around it, giving an all-eye appearance. The cytoplasm of the cell is a abundant and amphiphilic lacunar type as cells. It is a smaller and is addition to above feature has a pericellular space or lacuna in which it lies, which is due to arterifactual shrinkage of the cell cytoplasm. It is characteristically found in nodular sclerosis variety of Hodgkin's disease. Polypoid type. Reed-Sternberg cells. These are seen in lymphoid predominance type of Hodgkin's disease. This type of Reed-Sternberg cells is a larger with lobulated nucleus in the shape of popcorn. Pleomorphic Reed-Sternberg cells. These are a feature of lymphoid depletion type. These cells have pleomorphic and atypical nuclei. Immunophenotyping of Reed-Sternberg cells revealed monoclonal lymphoid cell origin of Reed-Sternberg cells from B cells of the germinal center in most subtype of Hodgkin's disease. Reed-Sternberg cells in all type of Hodgkin's disease except in lymphocyte predominance type expresses immunoreactivity of CD15 and CD30. RS cells in lymphocyte predominance type, however, are negative for both CD15 and CD30 but positive for CD20. RS cells are invariably accompanied by variable neural number of atypical Hodgkin cells which are believed to be precursor of Reed-Sternberg cells. Morphological features. Gross appearance. Initially, the lymph nodes are discrete and separated from one another, but later the lymph node form a larger matted mass due to infiltration into the surrounding connective tissue. The sectioned surface of the involved lymph nodes or extranodal organ involved appear gray, white, and fish flesh-like. Microscopical examination. The findings are as under. First is classic HD. Gross appearance. Initially, the lymph nodes are discrete and separated from one another, but later the lymph nodes form a large matted mass due to infiltration into the surrounding connective tissue. The sectioned surface of the involved lymph nodes are extranodal organ involved appears gray, white, and fish flesh like. Microscopic examination. The findings are as under. Classical Hodgkin's disease. As per WHO classification, classic group of Hodgkin's disease include four type of Hodgkin's disease of older Reichels classification. Lymphoid predominance type. The lymphoid predominance type of Hodgkin's disease is characterized by proliferation of small lymphocyte admixed with a varying number of histiocyte, forming nodular or diffuse pattern. For making the diagnosis, definite demonstration of Reed Steinberg cell is essentially which are few in number, requiring a through search. In addition to typical RS cells, polyploid variant having polyploid and twisted nucleus popcorn-like may be found in some cases. Nodular sclerosis type. It is characterized by two essential features: band of collagens and lacunar type of Reed-Steinberg cells. Characteristic lacunar cell type of Reed-Steinberg cells with distinctive pericellular halo are present. Mixed cellularity type. This form of Hodgkin's disease generally replaces the entire affected lymph node by heterogeneous mixture of various types of apparently normal cells. These include proliferating lymphocyte, histiocyte, eosinophil, neutrophil, and plasma cells. Typical Reed-Steinberg cells are frequent lymphocyte depletion type. In this type of Hodgkin's disease, the lymph nodes in depleted of lymphocytes. There are two variants of lymphocyte depletion in Hodgkin's disease: diffuse fibrinolytic variant in hypocellular, and the entire lymph node is replaced by diffuse fibrosis and infiltration by atypical histiocytes and numerous typical and atypical Reed-Steinberg cells. While reticular variant is much more cellular and consists of large number of atypical pleomorphic histiocytes. Second is nodular lymphocyte predominant in Hodgkin's disease. This is a newly described entity. These cases of Hodgkin's disease has a nodular growth pattern like lymphocyte predominant pattern of classic type. There is predominance of small lymphocytes with sparse number of Reed-Steinberg cells. Third is these cases of Hodgkin's disease are CD45 positive epithelial membrane antigen positive but negative for the usual marker of Reed-Steinberg cells, which are CD15 and CD30. Clinical features. Hodgkin disease is particularly frequent among young and middle-aged adults. All histologic subtypes of Hodgkin's disease, except the nodular sclerosis variety, are more common in males. Most commonly, patients present with painless, movable, and firm lymphadenopathy. Approximately half the patients develop splenomegaly during the course of the disease. Liver enlargement too many occurs. Too may occurs. Constitutional symptoms are present in 25 to 40% of patients. Other laboratory findings are hematological abnormalities, while moderate normocytic and normochromic chromic anemia, serum iron and TIBC are low. Marrow infiltration by the disease. Routine blood counts reveal moderate leukemioid reaction. Platelet count is normal or increased, or ESR is invariably elevated. Immunological abnormalities. There is progressive fall in immunocompetent T cells with defective cellular immunity, and humoral antibody production is normal. Staging. ANN Arbor staging classification takes into account both clinical and pathologic stage of the disease. The suffix A or B are added to the above stage depending upon whether the three constitutional symptom fever, night sweat, and unexplained weight loss exceeding 10% of normal are absent or present. The suffix E or S are used for extranodal involvement and splenomegaly respectively. Prognosis. With use of aggressive radiotherapy and chemotherapy, the outlook for Hodgkin's disease has improved significantly. With appropriate treatment, the overall 5-year survival rate for stage 1 and second A is a high as about 100%, while the advanced stage of the disease may have up to 50% 5-year survival rate. Patients with lymphocyte predominance type of Hodgkin's disease tends to have localized form of disease and have excellent prognosis. Nodular sclerosis variety has two very good prognosis. Mixed cellularity type occupies intermediate clinical position between the lymphocyte predominance and the lymphocyte depletion type. Lymphocyte depletion type is usually as disseminated at the time of diagnosis. These patients usually have the most aggressive form of the disease. This session is powered by the Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all enjoy this session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.